Hi everybody, welcome from our headquarters with my grandfather. Today I just wanted to show just briefly our fitting, very easy to install, and the layers of the pipe. Everyone without special training can do that, if not working with that type of fittings before. It's super easy. We will also make our videos about that. It, as my grandfather mentioned to me before, I always forgot about this. It has two O-rings inside which stop any leakings in the pipe. It's super quality. It's our dog here, but it doesn't matter. Yeah, so we invite you to cooperation with the super quality pipes from our Sync Complex line. All the best, take care. Hello again. I just forgot to mention that, especially here, I make a little bit more space to show you that we put an extra layer of polyfurthalum metallized with aluminium as an extra barrier for the heat that stops the heat losses inside the pipe. We will show more about this and talk more about this in the double, quattro, multiply pipes solution. Great tool to stop the heat losses. Thank you once again.